When Duck returned, he heard the truck singing. He was horrified. "Oh, shut up!" he ordered, and bumped them hard. "I'm sorry about our trucks being rude to you, Diesel," he said. Diesel was still furious. "It's all your fault. You made them laugh at me," he complained. "Oh, nonsense," said Henry. "Duck would never do that. We engines do have our differences, but we never talk about them to trucks. That would be disgraceful," said Gorn. "Disgusting," put in James. "Despicable," finished Henry. Diesel hated Duck. He wanted him to be sent away. So, he made a plan. Next day, he spoke to the trucks. "I see you like jokes," he said in his oily voice. "You made a good joke about me yesterday. I laughed and laughed. Duck told me one about the big engines. I'll whisper it. Now, don't tell them I told you." And he sniggered away. "Go off the trucks. All the big engines will be cross with Duck when he knows. Let's toll them and pay Duck out for bumping us." Diesel went to all the sightings. In each, he told different stories. He said Duck had told them too, and this was untrue, but the trucks didn't know. They laughed rudely at the engines as they went by, and soon Gordon, Henry, and James found out why. "Disgraceful," said Gordon. "Disgusting," said James. "Despicable," said Henry. "We cannot allow it." They consulted together. "Yes," they said. "He did it to us. We'll do it to him and see how he likes it." Duck was tired out. The trucks had been cheeky and troublesome. He had had hard work to make them behave. He wanted a rest in the shed. "Whoosh! Keep out!" The three engines barred his way, and Diesel locked behind them. "Oh, stop fooling," said Duck. "I'm tired." "So are we," hissed the engines. "We are tired of you. We like Diesel. We don't like you, though. You tell tales about us to the trucks." I don't." "You do." "I don't." "You do." The Fat Controller came to stop the noise. "Duck called me a galloping sausage," spluttered Golden. "Rusty red scrap iron," hissed James. "I'm old square wheels," fumed Henry. "Well, Duck considered. "I only wish, sir," he said gravely, "that I'd thought of those names myself, if the dome fits." "Ahem!" The Fat Controller coughed. "He made the trucks laugh at us," accused the engines. The Fat Controller recovered. "Well, chid you, Jock?" "Oh, certainly not, sir. No steam engine would be as mean as that." "Now, Diesel, you heard what Jock said." "I can't understand it, sir. To think that Duck of all engines, I'm dreadfully grieved, sir, but know nothing." "I see." Duck squirmed and hoped he didn't. "Well, I am sorry, Jock," the Fat Controller went on, "but you must go to Edward Station for a while. I know he will be glad to see you." Beg pardon, sir. Do you mean now?" "Yes, please." As you wish, sir." Duck trundled sadly away, while Diesel smirked with triumph in the darkness.